How to upload videos to Instagram on mobile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to Instagram on mobile. To upload videos to Instagram on mobile, you will need to first open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the bottom, you'll be able to locate plus icon. Tap on it. Make sure this post option is selected. Once selecting it, now you can select a video from your gallery. Simply tap on the video and tap on the next button at the top right. Now you can edit your video by tapping on the options available such as adding filters or trimming it. You can also tap on this edit video at the bottom left, and then from there you'll be able to customize the video further. Once you're done customizing your video, tap on the next button at the bottom right, and here you can write a caption for your video, tag people and add location if you want. Once after doing all of them, you can simply tap on the share button at the bottom right in order to post your video to your feed. Once doing that, you will need to wait for the moment until the video gets published. And once the video is published, you can tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Here refresh the page, and then there you'll be able to see the video that you have uploaded. So by following the steps, you should be able to upload videos to Instagram on mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.